Alright, so you have a mobile phone, tablet, and PC, and you like using apps, games, or other software on these devices. But there is one major problem. Finding the right software for your devices takes way too much time. You'd have to search a lot of different sources and marketplaces to find the right software for each of your devices. What's even worse, you simply don't use, or you just discard the software you spent your hard-earned money on when you grow tired of it. Hey, isn't there a faster, better way? Well, there is. That's why we've created AppsBidder.com. AppsBidder.com is a marketplace where you can get all of your apps, games, and software for all of your devices in one place. And what's more, you can also earn cash prizes, discounts, and site authority for regulating the marketplace. Here's how it works. You are awarded experience points for downloading whatever software, app, or game you find interesting. You're also awarded points for sharing these apps with your friends on Facebook and leaving app reviews. So what are the benefits of these points? Well, you get a multitude of awesome site rewards, like monthly cash prizes for being top points earner. You also get lifetime discounts on software and site authority for attaining site status. Site authority enables you to weigh heavily on the removal of inappropriate apps, depending on your specific site rank. Sound cool? It is. Enjoy monthly cash prizes, lifetime discounts, and site authority when you sign up for free at appsbidder.com.